Hello and welcome to Ms. Zah's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare ratatouille sauce with spaghetti. If you're new, thanks for joining us. Now let's get down to business. So we'll start by cooking the pasta. Add salt to the water. Add your pasta. I'm using linguine, but you can use any spaghetti of your choice. Add a little bit of oil to the pasta so it doesn't stick together. So we're going to start cooking the ratatouille sauce. Add olive oil into your pan and we're going to fry the sausage. Fry the sausage till it's brown. So make sure you keep turning it so that it doesn't burn. Don't forget to check your spaghetti because we don't want it to be too soft. Add chopped garlic into the pan and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. When the sausage is ready, take it out to avoid overcooking. Add chopped onions, mushroom, give it a stir, throw in your aubergine, carrots, and courgette. Give it a stir, add black pepper, and add spicy powdered pepper. Stir and keep stirring to avoid the vegetable sticking to the pan. Let it cook for 20 minutes. Add some of the pasta water to the sauce. It adds flavor to the sauce and it helps thickens the sauce as well. Add beef cube to give the sauce a vibrant taste of richness, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. So we're going to add some cherry tomato. At this point, if your vegetables are not soft, let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat because we want all the vegetable to give up its juices to the sauce. You can add more pasta water to the sauce if it's sticking to the pan, and with that it gives it flavor as well, like I said earlier on. Sprinkle a little bit of salt to taste. So keep stirring to avoid burning. At this point we're going to add the pasta, our spaghetti, and then mix it all together. Look how beautiful this ratatouille looks. The smell in the kitchen, guys. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Okay, so keep mixing. Add in your bell pepper. I got all the colors just to give this spaghetti beautiful color. At this moment you're going to add in your sausage and mix it all together. This is beautiful. This ratatouille has perfumed my kitchen with such sweet fragrance. Bring your plate, everyone. Let's eat together. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, stay safe, be kind, and be good. Bye.